another video. So in this video we are going to isolate the guest VPN. So in my topology the guest VPN is VPN 40. So my data center does not has a VPN 40, so they are not able to see any routes, so I don't have to worry about it. But branch 1 and 2 are in a mesh, and branch 3 and 4 are in a mesh, so they both are able to see the VPN 40. So if I go to my branch 1 now, so if I say one more time the routes, you see that the VPN 40, I am seeing the branch 2. Similarly, if I go to branch 3, if I scroll up over here, you see that in the VPN 440 I can see. And also if I try to, from branch 3, if I try to ping or do the trace route VPN 40 10.40.204.1, you see that it's directly communicating. So there is a direct tunnel. So my requirement is that the VPN 10 and 20 are the corporate VPNs, and VPN 40 is the guest VPN, and I don't want the guest VPN for branch 1 to communicate with branch 2. Currently they can do it, I don't want that. And also from branch 3 they should not be able to communicate with branch 4 guest VPNs, that is within a VPN 40. That's what I want to achieve it. Alright, so let's go ahead and build up a policy, how we can build up that one. This one is pretty easy. We just go to the configuration policy. Let's go to the customized one, topology one, or let's go to the centralized policy. The one which is activated, we will click on edit. You go to the topology, within that you have a VPN membership. Click on add, create a new VPN membership policy, and here you will select the site list. Okay, so now how this will work, it's a little bit tricky. So what are the VPNs or the sites you define here? So there is a site list, there is a VPN list. For example, I define the branch 1 VPN 10, then branch 1 VPN 20, branch 2 VPN 10, branch 2 VPN 20. So I can so and so define everything like branch 3, branch 4. So I want to accept 10 and 20, 10 and 20, but that is what I will define. But I will not define VPN 40. So VPN membership means whatever the VPN you define, they can form membership. They're able to form the tunnels and everything. But whatever the VPN you have left out, they are not able to form the tunnel and they are not able to communicate. So you are isolating the VPN 40, which is my guest VPN. So again, it's a little bit tricky here. Whatever the sites and VPN you define here, they will form the membership. What you have not defined here, they will not form the membership and they are isolated. Alright, so let's go ahead and define it. So I do have site 1, DC1 and DC2 only, and the VPN list. So let me go ahead and create the site list first. Let's go to the list and go to the site. I do have site 1, DC1, DC2. Yeah, I also do have branch 1 and branch 2. Let me create individually also branch 1, that should be 201. Branch 2, that should be 202. Branch 3, 203, and branch 4, 204. And also I will create the VPN 10 is already there, so I will say I will create one VPN 10 to 20. I will select 10, 20 in one. Otherwise I have to select both of them like branch 1 10, branch 1 20 individually. So I will just create both of them. Sites All individual sites are ready and the VPNs, both of them are ready. Let's go to the centralized policy. Let's copy that one, make it version 6, and let's edit that version 6 now. That should be in the topology, VPN membership, create a new VPN membership. I will select DC1, add list, select DC2, but I am not able to see, okay, I am able to see the branch. Now I am able to see branch. I will search for the branch 1 and 2, and also I will search for branch 3 and 4. Alright, for data center 1, I will go with 10 and 20. Data center 2, I will go with 10 and 20. Branch 1 and 2, 10 and 20. And 10 and 20. Alright, so with this one, if I go back to my original topology, you see that I do have a VPN 30 and we are isolating VPN 40. So with the data center, we are isolating VPN 30. So I need to define that one also because I want data center 30 to be communicated, have in membership. So I think first I will save this one. I will give it as a VPN membership and save it. What I will do, save the policy. I will go back to the list and I will go back to VPNs and I will simply edit this one to 10, 20 and 30 and I will add up 30 also so that I don't have to change anything on the policy simply. Go back to the control policy, click on edit, go to the topology VPN membership and if I click on it's only viewing and now you see that 10, 20, 30 that is been updated. So what will happen if I don't define 30 means 30 is not able to communicate with data center to each other. Data centers VPN 30 will not be able to communicate with each other. So now what should happen at the end of applying this policy is that my guest users on my branches should not be able to communicate with each other. Okay, so branch 1, branch 2, 3 and 4 should not see VPN 40. So currently if you see that VPN 40, I can see it on branch 3, also I can see it on branch 1. We should not see the branch. That means I should not see the other branch VPN 40. So let's go ahead and activate that policy now. Save changes. Version 6, let's go ahead and activate. So let it push. Alright, that is been pushed. So let's go back to the branch 1 now. So before we were seeing the VPN 40 of 202, branch 2, and now you see that we are not seeing anything. Similarly for the branch 3, before we were seeing the 204 for VPN 40. And if I say show IP route tab, and now you see that I'm only seeing myself. So if I try to communicate like ping VRF, not VPN 40.10.40.204.1, which is my branch 4, I should not be able to communicate now. Okay, so we have achieved it. So we have isolated the VPN 40 on each and every branch and they are not able to communicate with each other. Before applying the policy, they were able to communicate, but after applying the policy, they are not able to communicate anymore. So I hope this was informative for you and thank you.